Hi everyone, today we're going to focus on the difference between two tenses, past simple and past continuous. Past simple describes completed actions happened at a specific time in the past. For example, I watched a movie last night. Last night is the specific time in the past. They bought a new car last week. So last week is the specific time in the past as well. Past continuous describes actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. It often sets the scene for another action that interrupts it, usually in past simple. For example, I was watching a movie when they called. So when you called is that specific moment in past simple that sets the scene for another action was watching a movie. They were buying groceries when they saw their friend. Were buying is past continuous and saw is the specific moment in past simple. Here's some examples for comparison. First one is past simple. I studied all night. The action of studying was completed in the past. 2. Past continuous. I was studying all night when the power went out. The action of studying was ongoing when another action occurred. Thank you.